Built-in wall shelving transforms tight footprints by using vertical space for storage and display without taking up any floor area. Start with floor-to-ceiling adjustable shelves to maximize capacity and adapt to changing needs. Mount standards and brackets into studs or use wall anchors rated for the expected load and space shelves every 12 to 16 inches for books and decorative items and wider for large bins. For recessed shelving or niches, locate wall cavities with a stud finder and plan around electrical or plumbing lines, then frame and finish with moisture-resistant back panels to prevent warping. These feel integrated because they sit flush with the wall. Choose floating shelves with hidden brackets for a minimal look, but select brackets that support at least 200 pounds for longer spans and use pocket screws and glue where the bracket meets the shelf for extra stiffness. Build cubbies around windows by framing shallow boxes that align with the window trim so they read as part of the architecture, and size the cubbies so the top aligns with existing sight lines to avoid a chunky appearance. Integrate lighting into the shelving using low-profile light strips or puck lights with dimmable drivers and route wiring inside the shelf carcass so wires are not visible. Choose color temperature between 2700 and 3500 Kelvin to flatter most finishes. Finish with paint or clear coat matched to the wall for built-ins you want to minimize, or contrast color and texture if you want the shelving to be a focal point. Common mistakes include overloading shelves with heavy items, which causes sagging and failure, so distribute weight to studs and reinforce long spans with thicker shelving or added support. Another is ignoring wall services and cutting into plumbing or electrical when creating recessed niches. Always scan cavities, and if in doubt, consult a professional or reroute shelving placement. The third is poor lighting that leaves shelves looking flat and cluttered. Address this by installing task lighting at each shelf level and using warm, dimmable sources to create depth and highlight objects. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us showcase built-in shelving ideas and contractor profiles that match small home needs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, ask questions, and post photos to help plan, price, and execute effective vertical storage projects.